A massive wildfire in Los Angeles suburb has burnt buildings and has caused thousands of evacuations. Now, hurricane-force winds are tearing through the Pacific Palisades region as almost about 3,000-acre blaze has engulfed the entire area. About 30,000 people have been ordered to evacuate amidst the fast-spreading flames, and more than 13,000 structures are under threat. The multiple homes have been burnt down as powerful winds spread embers far and wide. The Los Angeles County Fire Chief has also warned that they are not out of danger yet, adding that the winds are expected to pick up in the coming days.
I want to let all of the viewers and listeners know that we are not out of danger. The National Weather Service has predicted that the winds are going to pick up and get worse. We're going to have the most significant wind event between 10 p.m. this evening and 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's incumbent that everybody have a wildfire action plan for their home if they live in a brush-covered area. Please visit the LA County Fire Department website for ready, set, go information.
Now, hundreds of firefighters have swarmed the area, attacking the blaze from the ground and also from the air. Now, crews are working in steep terrain to cut back on the vegetation and to create fire breaks. The California's governor, Gavin Newsom, has said that he saw many structures already completely gutted in the fire. Now, the White House has said that President Joe Biden has been briefed on the fire, and his team is in touch with the local officials to offer federal assistance. Now, across town on the northern edge of Los Angeles, another fire broke out in the Eaton Canyon near Pasadena, quickly consuming nearly about 200 acres. The wildfire threatened homes in an upscale section of Los Angeles, forcing evacuations after officials had already warned of extreme fire danger from dry and powerful winds.
Do we get to eat dinner or no? Huh?
Now, huge billows of smoke could be seen blowing from the hills from miles away as flames have encroached on nearby homes. The fire was fueled by Santa Ana winds that blow warm and dry winds from the inland deserts towards the coast. And as per the National Weather Service, this could of course be the strongest Santa Ana windstorm in more than a decade across Los Angeles and Ventura counties. The strong winds continue to fuel the Pacific Palisades fire, which is a well-known celebrity hotspot in Southern California. The wildfire continues to spread over 1,200 acres, putting the homes of several Hollywood A-listers at risk and forcing many to evacuate as the threat intensifies. While the extent of damage is still not clear, the area is home to several high-profile celebrities, including the likes of Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson, Reese Witherspoon, Adam Sandler, Michael Keaton, amongst others. Now, the Forrest Gump star and his wife Rita Wilson own a sprawling $26 million mansion in the Pacific Palisades. The couple, in fact, purchased the 1.5-acre home that was built in 1996 in 2010. Their 14,513 square foot house has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and a slew of amenities, including a theater and in-ground swimming pool. Meanwhile, the Schitt's Creek star Eugene Levy, dubbed the honorary mayor of Pacific Palisades, is a long-time member of the affluent neighborhood. Now, he and his wife Deborah Devine purchased their home in 2006 for about $2.4 million. The fire continues to spread rapidly, adding to the challenges for the stars Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck, who recently began their divorce process. The duo's $64 million Cape Cod-style mansion, once filled with joy, now faces an uncertain future amidst the devastation. And that's not all. The raging wildfire has also disrupted Jennifer Lopez's professional commitments. The premiere of her latest film, Unstoppable, was cancelled due to safety concerns stemming from heightened wind activity and the ongoing fire outbreaks in the area. And amidst all this, the Oscar-nominated actor James Woods took to X with multiple posts detailing the damage as a fast-moving wildfire in the Los Angeles hillsides. And this, of course, was exacerbated by a fierce windstorm in Southern California. The A-listers often find refuge in the gated and the guarded communities of Pacific Palisades, making it a coveted celebrity hotspot. And it remains to be seen as to how the situation unfolds as residents and authorities continue to grapple with the escalating wildfire crisis. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.